Hello and welcome. You're watching Donbosco Media Network. This is Mona Lisa Rambai presenting to you the Salesian news across the globe. On Monday 9th September, Pope Francis arrived in Dili, the capital of Timor-Leste, where he will remain until 11th September. The pontiff was welcomed to the presidential palace in Dili by the head of the state, one of the architects of independence and 1996 Nobel Peace Prize winner Jose Manuel Ramos Horta. The two, after listening to the hymns and after three children in traditional dress offered the Pope flowers and a scarf in taste, the local fabric immediately shared a moment of joy and conviviality. From Friday 6th to Sunday 8th September 2024, the Slovak Salesian family of joyfully celebrated the centenary of the presence of the Salesians in the country, 1924 to 2024. The celebrations which were the culmination of the entire festive year, in turn introduced by a 3-year preparatory period, were enriched by the presence of the Vicar of the Rector Major, Father Stefano Martlogio, as well as the Councillor for the Central and Northern Europe region, Father Roman, and by the provincials of numerous neighbouring and nearby countries. September is always a month full of emotions. After the school holidays and after an intense summer of pastoral activities, a new school or academic year begins. And for the Salesian houses in Spain, it gradually resumes the ordinary activity of education and accompaniment of thousands of children, adolescents and young people. The celebrations for the bicentennial of Don Bosco's dream at 9 years of age, 1924 to 24, continue this year. However, the pastoral gaze can only be focused on the future and therefore on the Jubilee of 2025, now almost at the door, which will be focused on hope. In his context, the Salesians of Don Bosco have thought of a guiding motto for the pastoral campaign of the new year, which reads, Somos Futuro. From 9 to 31st August 2024, the Stagja Badauza Outsider Art Gallery in Krakow, the Ex Libris exhibition was presented with the works of Father Ignacy Ryndzionek, Salesian of the Krakow province. This was organized by Dr. Andrzej Koval Association, whose president, Professor Gania Borowick, describes the author and his works as follows. Father Ignacy Ryndzionek is a classic example of self-taught student and teacher in one person, whose life destiny has forced him to a continuous artistic development. The Salesian Youth Movement SYM of the Niger Province ANN concluded its activities of the year with a lively congress held from 5th to 8th September at the community of St. John Bosco in Ibilo or Bosi. The event focused on the Rector Major's Twena 2024, The Dream That Makes You Dream, a heart that transformed wolves into lambs, brought together young people from all the Salesian communities of Province ANN. The Congress officially began on Friday 6 September with a solemn opening mass celebrated by the Archbishop's representative, Father Emmanuel Onunkuo. So viewers, that is all for today. This is Mona Lisa signing off. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.